मैंने अपनी माँ के गर्द दोनों बाजू लपेट लिए।
I wrapped both arms around my mom. I wrapped both arms around my mom.
हम पत्तों के ढेर पर कूद पड़े।
We jumped onto a pile of leaves. We jumped onto a pile of leaves.
इसने थककर टांगें फैला दी।
He tiredly stretched his legs. He tiredly stretched his legs.
वो पछतावे के साथ सख्ती से चली गई।
She went rigid with guilt. She went rigid with guilt.
मैं ही था जिसने लड़ाई शुरू की थी।
I was the one who started the fight. I was the one who started the fight.
इसके चेहरे से अचानक शक के तासरात खत्म हो गए।
Her face suddenly lost the expression of doubt. Her face suddenly lost the expression of doubt.
वो आखिरकार पानी की बोतल पर मान गई।
She finally settled on a bottle of water. She finally settled on a bottle of water.
कुत्ता लोहे की बाड़ की गिरफ्त के इर्द गिर्द जदोजहद कर रहा था।
The dog struggled around the grip of the iron fence. The dog struggled around the grip of the iron fence.
मैं कल सही कार्रवाई करूंगा।
I will take the correct course of action tomorrow. I will take the correct course of action tomorrow.
उनके साथ सौदे करना एक खतरनाक कारनामा है।
Making deals with them is a dangerous feat. Making deals with them is a dangerous feat.